Gala. Inspired by Italy's famed Murano glass, the Gala glasses are featured in a festival of 6 colors. The unique process incorporates specks of colorful glass and Murano beads to create true works of art. The Gala are mouth-blown in Italy, retail for $54, and will be arriving in stock late October. Designed specifically to style with our new Orion glasses, the Gala add a vibrant pop of color to the table. The stemless nature of the glass makes it perfect for water, wine, or a cocktail. Pair with the Gala pitcher in blue or white for the perfect hostess gift. Printed napkins. New to the Fall 2021 collection are a group of napkins in 10 fun prints, retailing at $14 and arriving in stock late October. From botanical illustrations to geometric patterns, these cotton napkins feature festive prints that are easy to care for and perfect for everyday use. We're also excited to introduce 7 of these cheerful prints in coordinating tablecloths. Make a statement with the Bella tablecloth, featuring a neutral background with a crisp white floral. This style pairs well with our new Tahiti placemat in gray taupe and instantly adds a sense of style and ease to the table. Provence. Inspired by the grounded patterns found throughout the Provence region of southern France, this cloth napkin features a playful pattern. Pair with the coordinating tablecloth for a uniform table or mix and match patterns for an inspired setting.